Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to select storage location on the application of Spotify. We go to Spotify app in the first page here as you see. Then you will go to this window of profile and you will click. Here in this window you will go to settings and privacy and you will enter. Here in this window you will go to this page of data saving and offline. Here in this list you will go to this window here, you will find storage location, and here you can choose any storage location. You can choose SD card, you can click here change storage location, continue like this, or SD card, or you can choose here device storage. So please don't forget